Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change caps locks to small letters in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my blank document with caps locks text. Now I change this caps locks text to small letters. At first I have to select this all text, then go to format menu. Now you can see here a text option. Click this text and go to end of this text capitalization option. Now you can see here a lowercase option. Now just press this lowercase. Now you can see I changed caps locks to small letters in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.